Next form, usually called plucking a star, moving it through the Big Dipper or something like that. Again, we're going to roll our shoulders. So just notice this kind of shoulder-hip relationship with each other. Lower body just allows the upper body to roll. I'm going to take one hand across the body. Our other hand is going to come to the kidneys at the back, knuckles to the spine. Inhale and draw the hand up. Follow the fingers with your eyes. And then we're going to just turn and keep the fingers in our edge of our gaze all the way across. Inhale back to the middle and then empty out. And now we turn shoulders, hips together. Inhale. Pause the breath. New breath. And letting go. So get this sense of kind of spiraling movement. That movement that the planets make around the sun, the moon makes around the earth. We want to keep the crown of our head, our pathway, towards the heavens. And maybe attention underneath the feet. Keep the arm heavy. We're not really reaching up. Notice the shoulders. We want shoulders to stay heavy. And palms come back onto the body.